So have you ever wondered why some people go through so much in life, yet somehow they still have hope? You know what? I've asked myself that question more times than I can count. My name is Shawn Pigg, and welcome to the Pig Perspective. Changing perspectives and changing lives. But today, what I want to do is first of all, I want to tell you why I started this journey and why I hope you'll take it with me moving forward. But before we go any further, I want to say thank you. Thank you for giving me a few minutes of your life today. I know your time is very valuable, and I promise to respect that. And if you stay with me until the end, I want to share why I'm here, and it's hot out here today. And I want to tell you what this community is all about and why I believe your greatest chapter of your life is still ahead of you, ladies and gentlemen. Because for as long as I can remember, I've always believed that my life had a purpose. Even when I was knocked the hell down right on the ground, I never lost the belief that one day my voice would be used to help other people. Not because I am perfect. I'm far from perfect. Not because I have all the answers, because I don't. But because I lived enough life to know that every experience has something to teach us. If we're willing to learn, I've experienced success. I've experienced failure. I've experienced loss. I've experienced heartbreak. I've experienced addiction. I've experienced homelessness. I've built businesses, ladies and gentlemen, and I've lost businesses. I've made money, and guess what? I've lost money. I've had to start over so many times I can't even count. I had to forgive people I didn't want to forgive, and I've had to ask for forgiveness. And through every chapter of my life that I've been through, one lesson kept showing up to me. Perspective changes everything. So for years, I kept asking, why is this happening to me? Then one day I decided to ask a question a little different. I started asking myself, what is this trying to teach me? That one question changed my entire life, ladies and gentlemen, because when your perspective changes, your decisions begin to change. And when your decisions begin to change, your future begins to change. And that's why I created the Pig Perspective. This isn't about me. It's about helping you discover what is possible in your life. This community is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a CEO. It doesn't matter if you're an executive, a business owner, an entrepreneur, a salesperson. You could be a teacher. You could be a nurse. You could be a doctor. You could be a truck driver. You could be a mail carrier. A garbage collector. It doesn't matter. You could be a bartender. You could be a cook at a restaurant. You could be a dishwasher. Or someone who's simply trying to figure life out. Your title doesn't determine your value. Your willingness to learn and to grow and to adapt and to become a better person does. Together, we're going to explore psychology, relationships, communication, leadership, sales, and how to become a master closer in sales, how to build a business, how to become more creative, how to be an innovator, how to solve problems, how to discover your purpose, how to rebuild your confidence in yourself, how to overcome fear, how to pick yourself back up and dust yourself off when you get knocked the hell down on the ground, and keep moving forward when life knocks you down. Basically, I'm going to share what has worked for me in my life, and I'll share what didn't work. I'll teach you the lessons I learned with success and the lessons I learned from the failure, because sometimes our greatest education comes from our greatest struggles. One thing you'll learn about me is this. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to challenge you. I'm here to encourage you. And I'm here to wake you up to the greatness that's already inside of you. And as long as you're breathing, your story isn't over. As long as you're breathing, you still have purpose. And as long as you're breathing, ladies and gentlemen, you can begin again. My mission is very simple here: to help people think differently, to help people see life differently, and to help people become the very best version of themselves. Because I truly believe something. When we change our perspective, guess what happens? We change our lives. And if this message connected with you and you're ready to grow, then let's grow with me. Let's grow together. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to like this video, subscribe to this community, and share this message with someone who needs to hear this today, and give them some hope. And I'd love to hear from you as well. In the comments, please do me a favor. Tell me, what is one challenge you overcome that made you a stronger person today? because your story might become someone else's breakthrough. Once again, my name is Shawn Pigg. This is called The Pig Perspective. Changing perspectives and changing lives. Visit me also at ShawnPigg.com, ShawnPigg.com. And remember this, your past may explain where you've been, but it will never get the final vote on where you're going, ladies and gentlemen. So keep growing, keep learning, keep believing in yourself. And I'll see you in the next message. Have a great day.